Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will explore CrowdStrike in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of July, 2024, our system has categorized CrowdStrike as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.76. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a decline of 38.61%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 2.97% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 10.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -10.26% to 54.94%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 120.96% over the upcoming year, with a potential return varying between 120.96% and 318.68%. This translates to a price range of approximately $481.46 to $912.27 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for CrowdStrike stock after losing 2.82%. The CrowdStrike stock price fell by 2.82% on the last day, which was Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, dropping from $224.22 to $217.89. This marks a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.89%, with a low of 214 cents and a high of $221.48. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 28.55% for this period. Interestingly, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign as volume should align with the stock's performance. On that day, the trading volume fell by 845,000 shares, totaling 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1,930 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $398.30, while the lowest price was $140.52. Currently, the price stands at 45.29%, or $180.41 below the 52-week high of $398.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike is encountering significant challenges following its recent global outage, which has adversely influenced investor sentiment. Sanjay Poonen highlighted the necessity of resilience, asserting that companies should prepare for outages as inevitable threats rather than unlikely occurrences. This approach emphasizes the operational vulnerabilities currently affecting the cybersecurity firm after a flawed software update led to a 40% decline in stock price last month. Furthermore, CrowdStrike is involved in numerous class action lawsuits due to investor losses incurred around the time of the software failure. These legal battles may result in expensive settlements, exerting additional pressure on the company's financial stability and stock performance in the near future. The deadline for lead plaintiffs in these lawsuits is September 30th, 2024, establishing an urgent timeline for concerned investors. Additionally, Alphabet's decision to reduce its stake in CrowdStrike by half before the software incident raises concerns about insider evaluations of the company's prospects, contributing to the negative sentiment. The consequences for the stock price could be significant, especially if sentiment continues to deteriorate due to adverse perceptions stemming from ongoing lawsuits and operational issues. Investors should brace for ongoing volatility as the company addresses these challenges in the short term, while the long-term recovery will rely on their capacity to restore trust and operational integrity. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned CRWD a sector perform grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, the 2nd of August, 2024, Wedbush rated CRWD with an underperform grade and also issued a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Jefferies provided CRWD with a buy grade coupled with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, Needham also rated CRWD with a buy grade and a hold recommendation. Finally, on Monday, the 29th of July, 2024, Morgan Stanley assigned CRWD an overweight grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The CrowdStrike stock is signaling a sell from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $239.55 and $339.73. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 1st of July, 2024, and since then the stock has decreased by 44.44%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger Indicators signaled a buy opportunity 11 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.34 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 4.89%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.27%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 98 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $233.65. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Henry Schein executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George executed an insider sale of 60,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George also executed an insider sale of 40,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George conducted an insider purchase of 60,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George did another insider purchase of 40,000 shares of Class A common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 20.051. In total, insiders purchased 382,916 shares and sold 574,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike is showing several concerning signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, August 5th, we predict that CrowdStrike will open lower by $1.05, starting at $216.84. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.